For today's video, I will show you how to use a Venmo credit card on phone. So, let's begin. So, you are approved for your Venmo credit card. When can you start using it? Now, that number can be used for online purchases, and you can also request a new virtual number in the Venmo app, which deactivates your previous virtual card number, right? Your Venmo credit card account may have a lower credit limit until you receive and activate your physical card, alright? And you can view your credit limit in the Venmo credit card section of the Venmo app. Your Venmo credit card account is also automatically added to your Venmo payment methods and can be used to pay for things like you already do today, such as, person-to-person payments, and purchases with authorized merchants. All right, and once you get your physical Venmo credit card, you can find your account number at the back of the card. All right, now here's the fun part. Here's how you can activate your Venmo credit card. Simply scan the QR code on the front of the card using your phone's camera or the QR code scanner in the Venmo app, whichever you prefer. You can also enter your 3-digit CVV code within the Venmo app to activate. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you can just call Synchrony Bank at these numbers: 855-890-676779. And if you're wondering if you can add a joint or authorized user, as of this moment, Venmo credit card does not support adding joint or authorized users right now, okay? Now, here's how to use your Venmo credit card. You can simply use your Venmo credit card everywhere wherein Visa credit cards are accepted, including within the Venmo app, because the card is automatically added as a payment method in your Venmo app for payments to friends, authorized merchants and retailers, and of course you can also use your Venmo credit card internationally, and there are no foreign transaction fees. You can also use your Venmo credit card to get a cash advance, alright? And of course, the Venmo credit card supports contactless payments. But all you're gonna do is look for the contactless symbol anywhere where Visa credit cards are accepted. And when prompted for payment, you're gonna simply tap your Venmo credit card on the payment reader to make your purchase. Now, if you are wondering what's the difference between physical card number and your virtual card number, alright? Now, you can use your Venmo credit card account in several ways. For example, you can make online purchases using your virtual card number. You can use your physical card in stores and online, or you can use your Venmo credit card as a payment method within the app, right? That's it. And of course, you can also use your Venmo credit card to make payments to other Venmo users, because your Venmo credit card, once again, is automatically added as a payment method on Venmo, right? And that means you can use your card to make payments to friends and authorized merchants using the Venmo app, all right? And you can also add your Venmo credit card to another virtual wallet like, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Because I have done this, I added my Venmo credit card to my Apple Pay, and it's really fast and convenient. All right. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more information about adding Venmo credit card, just go here. There's a help section. And thank you for watching.